Hi friends, Govind this side. So in this video we add the configuration in Jenkins so that whenever we commit our local changes onto the Git server, so for each change or for each commit, Jenkins will start the build automatically. In last video we have created the Spring Boot application and we have pushed that application onto the GitHub server. Also we saw the Jenkins installation. Okay, so this is our Hello Jenkins project we have created. This project we have pushed into our Git repository Hello Jenkins. This is our dev branch. Also we saw the Jenkins installation and this is our home page of Jenkins. Okay, so let's start the configuration. So this is home page of Jenkins. To create the to add the configuration, we need to click here, create a job. So click here, create a job, and enter the job name. So I'm passing the job name, any name. Okay, so Hello Jenkins. I'm passing name Hello Jenkins, and from this list we need to select freestyle project because we are not creating big pipeline. So freestyle project and click OK. So here we need to add the description, but description is not mandatory, so we can leave it. Or if you want to pass anything, test automation, something like this. And from here I'm selecting GitHub project because I have kept my project onto the Git server. So currently project is on Git server, that's why I'm selecting here Git project. Okay, GitHub project. Now it is asking for the project URL. So what is the project URL? So go to the Git server and here git.com/your username / your repository name. So click on repository. Okay, so this is what your username. Okay, github.com/username / your repository name. This is your project URL. From source code management, click on the Git. Here asking for the repository URL. So for repository URL, go to the Git server, go to the code, copy this URL. This is nothing but a repository URL and paste here. Now here it is asking for the credentials, but we no need to pass the credential because our Git repository is public. Okay, so our Git repository is public, so that's why we no need to pass the credentials. Next it is asking for the build, means branch. So we push our code into the dev branch. You can see here we push our code into the dev branch, so that's why I am selecting here dev. Okay, and after that build trigger. Okay, so in build trigger I am selecting whole SCM and passing here cron expression. If you want to learn more about the cron expression, just click here. Okay, here all about cron expression you can read from here. Basically I am posting 5-star. It means whenever I made any changes on Git server, so for each change Jenkins automatically build the trigger. Okay, so that's why I'm passing this type of cron expression. And okay, so this is basically as per our requirement. If you want to this is not as per industry standard because we need to set we need to schedule our build. Okay, so we need to pass some different cron expression, so as per requirement we can pass. Okay, so next is build environment. So no need to set anything. Build step. Okay, so we have created the Maven project, that's why here create invoke top level target, and here goal means build command. So clean install or build clean build or just clean, so I like just install. This is the command to build the to create the application build. Okay, now click on save, apply and save. Okay, go to the dashboard. So we done with the configuration. Okay, this is the Hello Jenkins, this is job name, and we done with the configuration. Select job and click on build and check currently we are checking manually build is successfully running or not. So build is failed. Okay, so click here and check why build is failed. Okay, so it is asking for the git path. So go to the dashboard, manage Jenkins. Okay, dashboard, manage Jenkins, and go to the global tool configuration, and here we need to pass the git path. Okay, so git path means what? So we need to go to the browser and we need to download the git bash. So go to the download git bash. Okay, click here and download whatever operating system you are using. As per operating system, you download this git bash. To save the time, I already downloaded. I will show you. This is what I downloaded and I installed. I installed in C drive. So go to the C drive, git bin. Okay, so you need to pass. Okay, I need to install again because this is not properly installed. So I have installed the git bash now. So just install git bash in your PC. Okay, once installation is done, we need to pass the bin path, git exe path to the Jenkins. So go to the installation path, see program files, git bin, and now this is a git.exe. We need to pass this path. So just copy it, go to the browser, Jenkins. Here you need to pass the git.exe. So I'm paste my path slash git.exe. Okay, and here you can give any name. So I give name git. It is name. Okay, this is the one. And second configuration is our project is Maven, so we need to add Maven path also. So here I give name Maven. Okay, and here we need to pass the Maven path. So I already downloaded the Maven. So this Maven folder path we need to pass here. Okay, so our project is the Maven project. That's why we need to pass the Maven path. Okay, Maven directory path here, and our project is on Git server, so that's why we need to pass the git.exe path. Okay, so now we are click on apply and save. Okay, we save the changes. Now again go to the dashboard, go to the configure and check everything is properly or not. Okay, this is okay. Dev branch, this is also okay. Here Maven version, so we give the name Maven. Okay, here Maven, everything is okay. Apply, save. Now go to the dashboard and click on our job and click on build now. Okay, so this build is I click 2 times, that's why 2 and 3 build is started. So let's check. Build is currently running and build is successful. You can see here right mark means the build is success. Okay, so click here and go to the console and check. Here output build is success and jar is created. Our application jar is created. Okay, so this we do manually. Okay, whatever we did, this we did manually, because I click on my job and then I click on build now. This is a manual process, but my requirement is whenever I made any changes on Git, so build should start automatically. Okay, so now check here, build 3, we created 3 build. Now what I can do, I made some changes here. Okay, and I commit these changes. I commit these changes on my dev branch. Okay, commit, and I am pushing my changes, push to dev branch. Okay, dev branch, I am pushing in dev branch. I commit my changes onto the dev branch. So go to the dev branch and check your changes reflecting or not. So main, here your changes is came. Okay, now go to the Jenkins and see the magic. Just refresh it. Look here, build 4 is created. We have created 3 build, but this 4th build is automatically started because I have committed the changes onto the Git server. Once I commit the code, after committing the code, Jenkins trigger the build automatically. Okay, let me show you once again. Okay, I came here, I made some changes here, I commit this file. Okay, commit, push. I push my changes into the dev branch. Once any changes happen in dev branch, now go to the Jenkins. Okay, now build 5th is started. Okay, build 5th is started. It means whenever I made any changes on my Git server, so for each change, the build automatically started. Okay,